part 2 now. So let's go open it. And just look, guys. I got a shark and it's kind of my favorite color. This is a fish. Mom, stop. And this is how she just does. Okay, I'm gonna put a sticker later. What? But where's the stickers?
Ito nga yung sticker.
I'm gonna. Okay, let's go. Oh. Girl, you don't understand it. I don't know what to open it, but I can do it. I can open this by myself. Okay. And then I can't remove this. I can do it. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, maybe this is gonna be later. Sure. Okay, so now. That's super funny. The next one is the dog. This is so funny. I don't want this thing. Let's just put a second eye. This is super funny because there's a next eye. There's the other eye. I don't know what's this. Mommy, what's this?
Ito nga lalagay mo, oh. Lagayan mo siya. Pwede mo lagay sa mata. Shades. Shades ba to? Ito, oh, pwede. Hindi, whatever you want. Dalawa lang kasi to, eh. Ito na lang, mas maganda. Wag na yan. Yan, mas maganda to.
Pang ano to? Pang swimming.
Mami? Bakit?
Hindi nyo ako pinasama ang magano.
Ay, gusto nyo masuportahan?
Magti-taste test tayo.
Sige na, akin na. Sige na. Let's do this. Come on, hi guys!
Hi guys! Just wait.
Teka lang, asan na yung ano ko?
Teka lang.
Yun na guys. Hi guys! Din! May sasabihin yung siyang
Let's taste this first.
So,
Unahin natin.
Ay, ito na yung may ano. Ayun na ba yan?
Taste this.
trying to taste this one. Wait guys.
Oh! Wala na, ang ganda ng kunafa.
Makikita ko sa toilet yan eh. Nice.
Yum!
Uy, pati rin siya.
Stop.
Yummy guys.
I'm just gonna put my in this one.
So yummy.
Okay, that was just a nice try.
At na ito guys.
Ito na ito, be. Saan mo to? Ito na lang sa'yo, walang cheese.
Sumakit.
Ha? Sumakit?
Sumakit.
Tama na kasi. Takot.
Okay, masarap.
Kay pistachio to?
Ako.
Magkaiba sila.
Nalagay ako ng ay tita.
Magkaiba sila, Dad. This one, oh, ang daming palaman. And then this one, unti lang yung palaman. Tama ba? Ito na lang.
Yeah. Okay, diba?
Ito lang kayo, Mira.
Ito.
Mm.
Thank you, Mila.
Ang flop.
Like there. Ayoko na yun. Let's go and open it. This is part 3.